In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track software licenses in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system to keep every license organized, up to date, and easy to audit. Start by logging into Airtable on your desktop. From the workspace, create a new base by selecting Add a Base and choosing Start from Scratch. If you already have a base you'd like to use, open that instead. This will be the home for your software license tracker. Next, rename the first table to Software Licenses so it's crystal clear what it's for. Now, add the core fields that make this work. Create software name as a single line text field to capture the app or tool. Add license key, ID as single line text so you can paste exact keys or IDs. For license type, choose a single select with options for subscription and perpetual. Add seats is users as a number field to track how many people can use the license. Create assign to, a single line text for the person or team using it. Add an expiration date field as a date type, then a status field as single select with active, expired and renewal pending. Finally, add notes as a long text field for purchase details, vendor info or special terms. This setup keeps every important detail in one place. To stay compliant and avoid service interruptions, keep expiration date current and set status accurately. When a license is renewed, update the date and flip the status to active. If it's nearing its end, mark it as renewal pending. If it's past due, switch it to expired. Create a few focused views to make oversight easy. An active licenses view shows what's in use. An expiring soon view helps you plan renewals. An expired view highlights anything to replace or archive. A by software type view can separate subscription from perpetual. By the way, the Airtable website link is at the top of the description so you can open it now and follow along while building your tracker. Use sorting and filtering to zero in fast. Sort by expiration date to see what's due first, or by license type to group subscriptions together. Filter by status to show only active items or by assign to when someone changes roles and licenses need to move. For extra protection, set up simple automations. Configure reminders a few days before a license expires, and automatically flag items that require renewal. This reduces the risk of lapses. Make it a habit to review licenses and assign users regularly. Archive expired or unused licenses to keep your base tidy and reporting accurate. That's how you can track software licenses in Airtable and maintain IT compliance efficiently. Thanks for watching.